turn on the TV. Select any input mode. Press and hold the settings button for 5 seconds. Input label will come on the top left corner of the screen. Enter code 1105 and press the OK button. Now, LG Hotel mode setup will open. Go to General. Select Preloaded app. Tick the web browser and YouTube checkbox to add the apps in Launcher bar. Now, press the return key to exit the menu. Then, press Home button to open Launcher bar. Web browser and YouTube is successfully added to Launcher bar.